Arai alamana Apolonoi, Oibuga lo Soroti da, adomon aboisiti Aduketait na Etutubere Ipegei. Kotupitete eiponelo itojo karere atukio na piai na keunere Apolo na Oibuga. Aitedishar agwelanaro na edialo edeka, ka atutubo na Ipegei kalu edishak. Aboi kinitone President Oibuga Soroti Peter Pex Park, nesi Apolo kinit asobanano.
We came to commission projects for Soroti City West in Wayasel. These projects include fencing and a gate, and then the waiting room for the pigs. That costed the division 40 million shillings. And then there is also a 2 stands VIP pit latrine, waterborne. Costed the city 27 million shillings. These projects were for last financial year, and today we are commissioning. They are now ready for usage. This project here is for slaughtering pigs. So we are now saying, now in Soroti City we have something like an abattoir for pigs. And we are giving people 1 month, all of this month of October, to prepare their mindset, to prepare their gadgets, transport, that beginning 1st November 2023, we shall not entertain slaughtering of pigs anyhow in this city. This project is going to be a big source of revenue to Soroti City West Division, and so we should support it. This project is timely because it's going to ensure that we control theft of pigs in this city. Now we are saying, as a matter of policy, that no pig for commercial purposes shall be slaughtered outside this facility.
Kwenye idolo katubutubo Ipegei, agoriano Etegear, apotu ineritos kopone kalo.
Ango megang takromun, ano naray, ichunore punelo aitolot edia edauna itubu. Transporta e ngari sirigendo ipo. Araiti ajala kinetunga utubute dia anepele metukubutu. Akirongunu mamti aroko. Konye enera betting center bonde kwa karos kwa expenses nalo se paka nena katunya ndubu ba bongo na ngina paka bobone kede bore utaje yusinga pipi ngopo ngone do pechupa ki gelti je pegerono sakosa lipa na center bonde arara unu kwa en etono ropa na lipi soda ti obia kida soda yo ekosa lo furo lailo nesiti ya partner
ameto nikiliso nara ibare nada kugane tubu mamsi bora respect nara kugane si ibore itungana ne nite amine tungana ne
Karaida ikote akironen dilis akulo akanselana Wayasel tona Oibuga kalo Soroti ka Apolo kiniton echolong Wayasel Paul Opige kesetojo karitosa swami shoiti na kwape na ejo at depart kowai kalo Apol.
We shall no longer be getting smaller pigs that will be slaughtered here, but we shall be getting big pigs that are healthy, and that will save the community.
Apolo mamebuni tai alamoni kota Apolo. Around tungala ne nisemo kina ya Apolo ne. So yalama sonoi ija unse project lo keda kanare eja kada le jaida elo sesite item ono kino gari kakini kai kotoro standard le bet konye ko panvere standard le jai mamerono
Aboi city na ngese tutuba pugani nao Soroti City Etegear olapalo ebunit kokaru kalope kalo Kanuka TV East Solomon Ramu Oibuga Soroti.